Welcome to the Excited Education channel, the YouTube channel, which teaches you about mathematics and biology on YouTube. I would like to request you whom are watching this video to make subscribe, comment, share, and like if you are happy of this video. Teacher Amy on Michael. We are teaching you mathematics and biology from senior 1 up to senior 6 and some contents on the university level, even on the science primary education. So, welcome to this video and I wish you are enjoyable. Thank you for watching this video. Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are so fine, and me also I'm fine. As usual, I'm Teacher Amy Chris on the YouTube channel called Excited Education Channel, the very important channel, very crucial channel, which shows you about the nature of biology and mathematics, but where now we are going to discuss about mathematics on the point called tangent line and normal line. So, I would like to encourage each and everybody who is watching this video to be attentive, follow, ask a question in the comments. Remember to make subscribe, comment, and like. Even if you wish, just share to your friend so he or her can gain the knowledge of mathematics and biology. So, without wasting much of our time, let us go ahead on the normal line and the tangent. Tangent and normal line. Please, students, take a short acknowledgement about tangent and normal line. If your teacher asks you what is the tangent, what is normal? If we say normal line, where you find normal line, where you find tangent line, how can we calculate it if it is calculatable, and how can we determine it if it is determinable? So that's what I'm going to talk about now. I would like to wish you that you are following very well. So tangent is the straight line which touches at a curve at a point. Tangent is a straight line which touches at a curve. So it's like a definition of the tangent, whereas for a straight line perpendicular to the tangent of a point where it meets the curve, it is what we call the normal line. Whereas normal line, for normal, we said that it is a straight line perpendicular, it is a straight line perpendicular to the tangent of the pole at a point. And where it meets the curve, where it meets the curve. These are the difference between the tangent and normal. If we say normal line, normal tangent is a straight line which touches at the curve, whereas normal line is a straight line perpendicular to the tangent at a point where it meets the curve. So let us see how can we calculate the normal line, how can we calculate the tangent with the inference of examples. How find normal and tangent. In the process of finding tangent and normal, they are provided formulas that are used to calculate normal and tangent. But now we're going to use examples and then apply those formulas in our question to solve out the normal line and the tangent line, by making sure that the tangent is a straight line which touches at the curve, and whereas the normal line is a perpendicular straight line that the tangent at the point it meets to the curve. So find the equation of the tangent, the curve of example number 1. Find the equation of the tangent, the curve of equation of the tangent to the curve of. Here we have a function with y which is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 1. Y is equal to x squared minus 4x then minus 1 at a point where x is equal to 4. So let us deal with this question to calculating out the tangent line. Here we have to think about this formula. We have x which is equal to 4, and we have to make sure that the y derivative must be equal to 4 also. If we make the derivative of this one, we have to make sure that it will be equal to 4, and the gradient of the y at x which is equal to m. This is the m where it stands for gradient. Y derivative of the function which is equal to 4, and this calculation of all these derivatives that we are going to make, it is equal to the m, where m is in gradient. And these we are calculated according to the x which is equal to 4 by pressing the value of x. Here we find that y will be equal to, if you have x, you have to make sure that you're going to find the y. If y is equal to x squared minus 4x then minus 1, then replace the value of x in this function. This will be equal to 4 squared minus 4 then times 4 then minus 1. This will be equal to 16 minus 16 then minus 1. This is equal to negative 1. So this is the value of y, and at the point we have to make the x y point, and this is the x which is equal to 4 and the y which is equal to negative 1. This is our point you are going to calculate our tangent with respect to this function. So here, this point, it lies on the line of the tangent, and we know that y is equal to mx plus c, where this m is gradient, this c is a constant. And if we know that y is equal to negative 1, this will be equal to m is equal to 4 times 4 n plus c. And this will be equal to negative 1, which is equal to 16 plus c, then c will be equal to negative 17. So here, this will be equal to a y will be equal to m which is equal to 4x then plus c minus 17. This y will be equal to 4x then minus 17. So the equation of tangent is equal to this one. This is our tangent line, and You can use this formula as the first step, or you can use another formula where you are going to make the derivative of this one. After making the derivative of this one, then use another formula which is equal to y minus y1, which is equal to m bracket x minus z x1, and then you calculate it and you will get that equation which looks like the same as this one. So let us see the next example on the normal line. Complete formula of calculating the normal line is equal to y minus y1, which is equal to mn times x minus x1, where mn is equal to negative 1 over m10. And here, let us use this formula of normal line to calculate the normal line for the given question that you have here. And here, we have the question which says that write the equation of tangent and normal line to the curve y which is equal to x squared at the point P which is equal to 1, 1. Example. Write the equation of tangent and normal line to the curve y which is equal to y which is equal to x power 3 at a point P1, 1. So we are going to use this example to calculate the normal line and the tangent line. Here we have to make sure that solution, if we ask to calculate tangent and normal line, here we have a formula for tangent which is equal to y minus y0, then equal to m, then x minus x0. And for normal line, we have y minus y0, which is equal to mn x then minus x0. And you know that this mn is equal to minus 1 over m10. And what you have to make sure that we are going to use the method of derivative of the function. You have the point 1, 1 and the function y is equal to x power 3. Then y derivative will be equal to x power 3 derivative. This will be equal to 3x squared. So after computing the derivative of a given function, you have to replace the value of x in the function in order that to get the m. So 3 times 3x squared will be equal to 3 times 1 for the value of x squared. This will be equal to 3. And this is y, our y derivative. And here, then y minus 1 as the value of x, then will be equal to m. M is equal to this one. Yes. M which is equal to 3 times x minus x0, x minus 1. This is our tangent. As you see here, is the form of this one. This is our tangent line. And for normal line, you have to know that this will be equal to the same as writing y minus 1 which is equal to 3x then minus 3. Then y will be equal to 3x minus 3 then plus 1. Then y will be equal to 3x then minus this is plus then minus 2. This is our tangent. So let us see for the normal line. For the equation of normal line, as I think the normal is equal to y minus y0, which is equal to mn, then x minus x0. Here this is equal to inverse minus 1 over mt, and our mt is the gradient, which is equal to 3, where we have get it by replacing the value of x in our derivative equation. And here this will be equal to our x1 is our y0 is equal to 1, and our x0 is equal to 1, and then here we will be equal to y minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 over 3. This is the value of mt, then times x minus 1 also. Then y minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 times x over 3, then plus 1 over 3. Here y will be equal to, then put on the common denominator this one. This will be equal to 3, yes, for common denominator, then minus 1x, this is minus x, then plus 1, and y will be equal to, then this is minus 1, then we have to add it here, and then this will be equal to 1 minus x over 3, then plus 1 over 1, then y will be equal to, if we put on the common denominator here, will be equal to 3, and this is equal to 1 minus x, then plus 3, and y will be equal to, here it is 4 and minus x over 3. This is our normal line. So here, as I said, this is our normal line according to the equation that we have. This is a point of normal line and about point of tangent line. This is our examples that we are trying to use, such that we understand how we can calculate the normal line and the tangent line. So dear students, I think you have understood each and everything about normal line and the tangent line. I wish you deserve the best. Just make subscribe, comment, share and like on our YouTube channel called Excited Education Channel to follow up more about mathematics and biology. If possible, if you are very willing to share, just share to your fellow students and fellow colleagues to learn about on this. And as you know that in a case we are in day nowadays, it is about the COVID-19, and it didn't allow us to meet together, to work together and to calculate together mathematics and learn more subjects about different courses. But it shows us that we have to use the online learning. So this is the one method of learning online. Just visit the Excited Education channel to get more knowledge. Thank you for watching me. See you. I'm Teacher Amy. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Teacher Amy as usual from the YouTube channel called Excited Education Channel. I wish you have enjoyed my video. So for more videos coming, I would like also to requesting you humbly, just make subscribe, comment, share and like, even post on different social medias, such that each and everybody can gain from what Excited Education Channel provide on the YouTube. So thank you for watching me. May God bless you and your family.